how you can earn just watching videos, watching short videos online. So if you want to know more about this app that pays you just watching videos, in a day you can make up to like $10 to $20 in a day just watching these videos, and it's very easy. So for more, you just need to subscribe, like, and share these videos for more videos. So let's go. So this app here pays you when you watch short videos and what earn money just watching short videos. Can you see the videos? I just earned 5,000 coin just today, just doing simple thing, watching videos, and what 0.005 $0.0059 in cents. So in a day I can make up to $10 just watching videos. So I can watch as much as possible videos I want to watch and get quick reward. I cannot see if I press get quick reward, I will get quick reward on this app. So
60% of people have freckles on their eyes. It's also called nevus, and it can appear on the color parts of your eyes or even the
when
white.
I drag it up again, so when this video play, I also earn again. My money also change. So that's it. And in a day you can earn 0.057 using this. But if you want to earn more on it, earning up to $10 just doing this, just come here, quick reward, you press watch. So when you get quick reward, so you have to watch this ad to the end. When you watch this ad to the end, you have to play. So when it play, you have to press cancel. So you wait for it. So you have to press cancel. So we press cancel. So it's going to show my money in this place. It's going to add the coin here for me now. See, just now just give me what 800 coin. I just press okay, give me 100 coins. I see that my money just finished adding. So we'll drag it up again, watch more ads.
How people think I fill my body butters. 85% product and 15%
so
air.
The more I drag is more I earn more money.
This is how it's done behind the scenes.
Just keep watching
Tap,
your
tap,
videos
tap.
and keep it's very
Then
easy.
I add more. How people think I fill my body butters.
So when you drag it up, it's going to show more videos on it. So and it also play ads sometimes. So if you play these ads, you are receiving more coin and it's going to boost your
Learn
money.
how to turn $10 into $250.
So we have to wait. It's boosting your earnings. Press cancel. So this thing is also boosting your earnings by watching these ads on this app. It's boosting your earnings. So let's go to our how to withdraw our money to the bank account, to any wallet you want to put your money. So you have to come here. So you have to come here. So this is it here. Your main balance is going to show here, and your money is going to show here. So payment proof, you want to see more payment proof, you have to come here. So the minimum payout is, so if you have 1,000, okay, 10,000 coin is 0.01 USDT is 10,000 coin, and in a day, within how many days you can up to earn to up to what 100 coin to 200 coin. Can you see I just earn up to 7,000 coin just now? 7,000 coin. And this one is what 10,000 coin. I've almost earned up to 10,000 coin. That's 1 cent. Just watching videos on it. So if you want to cash out your money in any wallet, so when you come here, can you see my coin is already moving, and the minimum payout is 0.19 USDT is the minimum payout of this account. So when this star here gets full, so you can withdraw your money. Just press here, withdraw. So you what? So you have to set your what transaction and everything. So you have to choose Amazon, PayPal, gift card, and so on and so forth. So my internet is not working right now. So let's wait for it. So the network is really bad in this place here, so we have to wait. So when we come here, so can you see as somebody just cash out this one. This is the payment proof. Someone just cash out this today with this. So that's all about this site. Thanks for watching. And you can also get more service on this app here. So when you click on it here, you have to download app to earn more coin. So when you click on it, so when you download this app here, install and subscribe for free training. So when you install and subscribe, you have to earn what 3,000 coin. As much as possible you can do it. You have to earn more coin. So thanks for watching.